Good morning. 네가 있던 자리가 허전해.
Hello, good morning students. In this video I am going to discuss about questions and answers chapter 10, that is refraction and dispersion of light. Question number A, fill in the blanks. A ray of light passing from one medium to another does not bend its path if its angle of incidence equal dash degree. जनरली होता क्या है, जब लाइट वन मीडियम टू अनदर मीडियम में पास करते हैं तो उसका जो पाथ है बेंड होता है, बट वन एंगल है जिसमें लाइट वन मीडियम टू अनदर मीडियम में पास करने के बाद भी उसका जो पाथ है बेंड नहीं होगा, दैट इज़ रिफ्रैक्शन नहीं होगा. वो क्या है ना, 90 डिग्री, दैट इज राइट एंगल. The more is the optical density of a given medium, the less is the speed of light. जहाँ ऑप्टिकल डेंसिटी ज़्यादा है, लाइट का स्पीड क्या हो जाएगा, कम हो जाएगा. द फेनोमेना ऑफ द स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ वाइट लाइट इनटू 7 कलर्स इज नोन एज द फेनोमेना ऑफ डिस्पर्सन ऑफ लाइट. वाइट लाइट का जो स्प्लिटिंग है थ्रू प्रिज्म, उसको क्या बोलते हैं ना, डिस्पर्सन ऑफ लाइट. द पॉइंट ऑन द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस ऑफ अ कनकेव लेंस फ्रॉम व्हेयर अ बीम ऑफ इंसिडेंट पैरेलल रे अपीयर्स टू डाइवर्ज होता है, बिखर जाता है, इज कॉल्ड principal focus of the concave lens. An object should be placed where? At the dash point, so that a convex lens forms its real and inverted image of the same size. Now the point is 2F, that is center of curvatures. Write the true or false for the following statements. The basic cause of refraction is the change in the speed of light as it goes from one medium to another. Yes, this is the true statement. In an optically denser medium, the speed of light is more than the speed of light in vacuum. We know that optically density increase, the speed of light decrease. So the statement is false. An obliquely incident ray always bends away from the normal when it passes from one transparent medium into another. We know that an obliquely incident ray always bends, not from always away from normal. It is depending on the medium, that is speed of light. So the statement is false. A coin kept at a bottom on a empty dry cup appears to rise up when some water is poured into the cup. Yes, this is due to for the refraction. When white light is dispersed by glass prism, the yellow color in it bends more than the blue color. No, the statement is false, because in glass prism speed of yellow color is more than the blue color, so yellow color not bend towards the base. Now tick the correct option. Which of the following conditions is not necessary for a change in the direction of propagation when a light ray goes from one medium to another? The light ray must be incident at an angle greater than 0 with respect to the normal and its point of incidence. Yes, correct. The two media must both be transparent. Correct. The two media must have different refractive indices. Yes, the incident light rays must always have only the blue color. This is not necessary. Which of the following diagram correctly shows the bending of a light ray as it goes from an optically denser medium into an optically rarer medium? The correct option is the second, because when incident ray passes through the denser medium to rarer medium, the ray bend away from the normal. The angle between the incident ray and the emergent ray for a rectangular glass slab is 0 is the correct answer. When a ray of light passes through a parallel glass slab, the emergent ray is parallel to the direction followed by the incident ray. So the angle between incident ray and emergent ray is 0. Which of the following figures correctly represents the passage of white light through a glass prism? If it is first figure, it is second figure, this is third figure, and this is fourth figure. Figure number 3 is the correct answer, because the speed of violet color is minimum while that of red color is maximum in a glass prism. Hence, a ray of red color bends minimum towards the base of the prism, while the ray of violet color bends the maximum. Next, an incident ray passing through the optical center of a concave lens and a refraction through it will go undeviated. When an object approaches a convex lens from infinity towards its focus, infinite डिस्टेंस में था, कहाँ आया, फोकस में, द इमेज फॉर्म बाय इट, उसका जो इमेज फॉर्म करेगा उसके ऊपर क्या असर होगा ना, कीप्स ऑन शिफ्टिंग अवे फ्रॉम द लेंस, जो इमेज है वो लेंस से दूर चला जाएगा. नेक्स्ट, तानियाज ग्रैंड मदर नीड्स अ लेंस टू रीड स्मॉल लेटर्स इन हर बुक. फॉर दिस शी शुड यूज a convex lens kept at distance less than focal length from the book.